Good afternoon. Today we are talking about dreadful, dull, boring, tedious, unappealing budget. I can see your face cringing and screaming at me, Catherine, I hate budget. I don't want to do budget. I get it. I don't like budgets either, but unfortunately it is a necessary evil. So if you want to create any type of financial freedom, financial independence and security, you have to accept it and do it every so often. But I will show you the way how you can prepare your budget in a way that is really exciting. So let's go. Have you ever heard of 50-30-20 rule? Most people haven't. This is probably the most efficient and effective way to set up your money. So you create 3 buckets. You look at your after-tax money and you divide between 50, 30 and 20% value of your income. The first bucket, 50% bucket, is your must bucket. So this is your rent, your mortgage repayments, all your essentials for your housing, food, transportation, bills, petrol, insurance, minimum loan repayments. Extra repayments, they sit in another bucket. So this is minimum. In case something happens, you are this way always able to meet the minimum repayments, your childcare and any other work-related expenses. So this is your must bucket. Then you go to your 30%. 30% is a good funny bucket because it's your want bucket. So all your fun bits. Now in here you have your monthly subscriptions, and I'm sorry, monthly subscriptions are not part of must. This is your choice, this is your want, and that also includes your gym. But then you have your travel, your holidays, your entertainment, going out, and also takeaways. Takeaways are also in that bucket, not in the must bucket. In the must bucket is if you can't afford takeaway, you cook. That's life. And then you have 20% bucket. And the 20% bucket is your saving and extra repayment bucket. So if we divide it into half of your 20% of your income goes for these extra repayments, the other half for your savings. When you talk about savings, first start with creating your emergency account. And today there are so many people in financial trouble because they lost their job due to coronavirus, but they don't have any backup plan. So emergency fund is just for that. It should be as in there you have to have 3 to 6 months worth of your income. That's security. Okay, and once you have that, then you can look at other ways of investing. When it comes to extra repayments, if you are one of those people that actually say, look, I'm quite happy to sacrifice a little bit of fun for now, and I would like to have more money in order to meet repayments faster and pay off my loans faster, do that. This division of 50, 30, 20 is really to have balance in life. So if you really are in one of those people that want to meet repayments but have a little bit of life and fun at the same time. So this is my idea of probably the best budget I have ever seen. I use that myself and I quite like it, and I dare you, we have a weekend, sit down and check it out, see if you actually fit into this bucket or into those, those 50-30-20 rule, and stay safe. Thank you. Bye.